to Rye, which is a town in UK, and we'll take you along with us. See ya in Rye. The journey time from Stratford International to Rye is just over 1 hour with one easy change at Ashford International. So we were headed towards Rye, as you all know, and from Stratford International we had a train of Rye at 12:44, but we got slightly late because we had so much to pack and whatever reason, and now we have to have a lunch in Stratford and then board 1:44 train, which will drop us at Rye at 2:44. By the way, I'm loving my eye makeup. Do tell me if you love the same. And here's Asher. He's become a spoiled brat now. Did you hurt yourself? Ooh, look at his face. But he's looking very handsome, isn't he? Spaghetti? Thank you. Such a sexy way to wait for the order, isn't it? It doesn't buzz, it just shows. Thank you. Let's eat. Got down at Ashford International, and from here we will go to Rye. We have reached at Rye station, as you can see, and now we will explore the city centre. Let me take you to the tiny and picturesque East Sussex village of Rye, which was at one point the most important port and was very famous for smuggling. Yeah, you heard me right, smuggling and maritime conflict of those bygone days. Over the years, Rye has transformed into a hip, trendy sort of seaside getaway destination. Its rich history, gorgeous buildings, and traditional style pubs are now boosted by quirky shops, swanky cafes, and trendy restaurants, and more. Rye is the type of town that sets your imagination on fire. Starting from the train station, slowly make your way uphill to Mermaid Street and immerse yourself in the history and beauty of Rye by walking in the footsteps of kings and queens, sailors and merchants, authors and artists, not to mention smugglers and murderers. Standing in Mermaid Street, and this is one of the most photogenic place of England, one of the most captured street, beautiful street of England, and you don't want to wear heels because the terrain is like this and you want to have comfortable shoes while you're walking. This is a beautiful trek. Keep your eyes peeled for the names on some of the buildings, the house with 2 front doors, the house opposite, etc. These all are 15th century houses. Oh my god, the street itself looks so pretty. Use your imagination to step back in time. If you have time, take a break at Mermaid Inn. It was a stronghold of notorious gang of smugglers, and it is rumored that their ghosts still roam the inn. And the house opposite, which is literally named as house opposite, was so beautiful that I could not resist taking pictures. Mermaid Inn is worth a visit for a drink or food, even if you don't stay there. So much history, and there's a leaflet by reception that will tell you a lot about it, or a friendly barman. Okay, I'm running away from Mermaid Inn because I've heard so many smuggler stories around it. We have reached the end of Mermaid Street and now we are walking towards the church, St. Mary's Church, and it's very famous again. Come with me. We have reached St. Mary's Church. You can see St. Mary's Church on my back. Let's explore this church. This beautiful church is the heart of Old Town Rye, with incredible views from the top. It has one of the oldest functioning church turret clocks in England. And for a very small fee, you can climb the tower to see the clock mechanism and also get panoramic views of Rye. Let's take you to Epra Tower, which was once a jail, and it survived the French raid of 1377, which literally destroyed everything of this town. It's now turned into a beautiful museum. Just beneath the walls of the tower is the gun garden, an unusual defense which appears to first date from 16th century and consists of a gun battery facing out to the sea. Let's stroll in the town and walk towards the High Street of Rye, which is famous for its antique and vintage shops. And talking of vintage, look what's coming! Oh my god, isn't it incredible? A visit to Rye wouldn't be complete without shopping in its raft of indie boutiques, shops and galleries. You'll be sure to go home with something unique. It's great for bits and pieces you don't really need but can't leave without buying. Think cool homewares and quirky bits and pieces. I always pick up something a little different. And this candy shop, oh my god, it brought back so many childhood memories and I couldn't resist having some candies from here. In 1329, 4 gates were built around the town to help fortify it, and out of those 4 gates, only the gate you are seeing in the video, called Land Gate, remains today. We have reached Land Gate, the ancient monument which was built in 1329. What? Okay, let's head to Camber Beach now, which is only 20 minutes ride by a bus from this station. We have boarded the bus from Rye and now we are heading towards Camber Beach. See you in the beach now. This was our bus and now we are walking towards the beach. Some amazing cars passing by. Camber Sands is a fabulous stretch of unspoiled sandy beach. It features one of the purest and longest dune systems on the south coast and the only one to be found in East Sussex. So definitely a hidden gem, guys. Interestingly, if you want to learn kite surfing, you can come here and take lessons because it's very windy. Do not forget your wind jackets, guys. We are sitting in our cafe just next to the beach, and the plan is to chill for the rest of the day here. And Asher is having so much fun. Asher. Now we're chilling at the beach. It's a sandy beach. It's very rare to find a sandy beach in UK, and we have got one here. So do come. Oh my god, I'm having my me time with Asher. And Asher is also having, he wants to go in the sand. You want to go? Yes. You want to go? It was first walk of Asher on the beach, and oh my god, he was so excited. Saying bye to the beach and heading towards home. And if you are a beer enthusiast, do not forget to come to Rye Waterworks micropub. It's highly rated, chill atmosphere, and everything on sale. Literally even the seats you sit on. That's it, guys. We had amazing time in Rye, and I highly recommend Rye for a day trip from London. It is totally worth it. I hope you like my today's video and you enjoyed watching Rye as much as we enjoyed being in Rye. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Bye.